To begin with, how to surpass the basic way of speaking. The first sentence is, I haven't seen you since a long time. This is very basic way of saying, very primary. I want to say it in a better way. I haven't seen you in donkey years. Other ways of saying the same sentence would be, it seems like an eternity before we met. We haven't met each other forever and a day. We haven't met from time immemorial. It has taken a month of Sundays since we last met. Okay. The second is, don't find fault in something which you have received as a gift. This is very fundamental or basic way of saying. I want to modify it. So I'll say, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. It means don't be ungrateful. Don't be thankless. Don't be unappreciative. Don't be fault finding. The next is, the basic way of saying is, this society is so competitive. I want to say it in a little more finer, superior way. I would say, these days it's dog eat dog society. The society is so fiercely competitive. There is a cutthroat competition in the society. The society is so aggressively ambitious. It's a combative society. Thank you.